What's up, people? I'll make this quick video. Let you know that I am 1 week away from my goal. And my goal is to invest in Bitconnect starting next week. I will probably make a video for you on, let's see, next time I come to the firehouse. Probably on Tuesday, no, not Tuesday, Saturday. By that time, my money will be in the account. As you can see, Bitconnect's Bitcoin is going back up. It's at 14,000. And in my account, I have 79 bucks. I'm still doing the same thing. I'm still sticking to the plan that I had with USI Tech. You know, if you remember correctly, my plan with USI Tech was to invest slowly, you know, $33 a week. That would be one USI Tech package, including the fees. It would have been like 65 bucks. But since, you know, USI Tech decided to withdraw from the United States and Canada, I'm still buying Bitconnect, you know. I'm still buying Bitcoin. So, you know, one monkey don't stop no show. So since I can't invest in USI Tech and Bitconnect, I will be investing in Bitconnect. And next week, I'll have another $33 or $34.99 deposited to this account. And then from there, I will put the money into my Bitconnect account. As you can see, I have nothing in here yet. You know, all I can do is show you what Bitconnect has been doing for the last 5 days. Let's see. What the volatility software for the last 5 days. It's been doing pretty good. It's still more money than you make at a bank. More money than a bank will pay you. So Bitconnect is doing pretty good. And excuse me. I'm excited. I got 1 more week. You know, I'm gonna open up an account. You know, I'm gonna finally deposit some money in this thing, and then after that, I'll just be doing like everybody else is, showing you my journey. You know, after that, I will be open up an account for my lady, and she'll have a Bitconnect account, and we'll both have Bitconnect accounts. You know, exciting times ahead. But, you know, just want to let you know, as you can see in my wallet, got 79 bucks in Bitcoin, which ain't a lot, but I'm going to transfer this to Bitconnect and buy some Bitconnect coins. And then from there, I will be able to invest in Bitconnect. Alright, so I'm looking forward to that. Can't wait to show you guys that next week. So, look out for that video. And that's about it. I was like, as you can tell, I finally got my screencast to work, and I'm happy about that because it was getting colder and colder outside. I was getting tired of making those videos outside. So I will see you guys. What's today? Friday. I will see you guys in a week, and I will be able to. I will, like I said, I'll have that money deposited into my account, and I will buy the. I will deposit that money into Bitconnect, and then I will make my first loan right in front of you guys, $100. All right, so see y'all guys next week. Stay tuned. Be safe out there. Peace.